स्टूडेंट्स अब लास्ट क्लास में पढ़थिले प्रिज्म फार्मूला ये तो अपने ट्रायंगुलर प्रिज्म हैला ABC हैला प्रिज्म AB and AC are the two refracting surface. A light is incident over here. So when a light is incident over here means because light travels from ray to denser, so light will bend towards normal. So at the point of incidence you have to drop a normal. This is normal surface to perpendicular. So the light, because as the incident ray travels from ray to denser, so when light travels from R to D, ray to denser, the light will bend towards normal. The light will bend towards normal. So this is your angle of incidence, okay, and this is the angle of refraction. Let's say R1. Again, this same light will acting as incident light for second medium, second surface. So again, light travel from denser to rarer. This is the having refractive index mu1. These are refractive index mu2. Again, this one mu1. Here is our A medium. Here is glass medium. There is the refractive index mu2. Here is the A medium. The refractive index is mu1. So एठी हमें कौन करेगा नॉर्मल ड्रॉ करेगा नॉर्मल सरफेस को परपेंडिकुलर so again when light travels from denser to rarer the light will move away from normal. This is the R2, this is your angle of emergence, and if you join accordingly the light को extend करवा जोटे मिसिला this is called delta. Delta stands for deviation. So delta the minimum was if delta tends to delta minimum d minimum, that means r1 equals to r2 equals to r होगा और I equals to E होगा I equals to E होगा. So आपको दे ताको नहीं क्या हम प्रूफ करते हैं mu equals to sin I by sin R. So mu equals to sin A plus dm by 2 by sin A by 2. Okay. So this is the formula for refractive index of prism. This is the prism. Hello. जदि मन रख जदि तमर बोले दिस एंगल इज वेरी वेरी स्मॉल जदि तमर मन रख sin रे बोले वेरी स्मॉल हला तो बोले हवा आर बोले मन रख sin थीटा इक्वल थीटा हो tan थीटा इक्वल टू थीटा हो. So this is very very small, so sin becomes this one, that is mu equals to A plus dm. That means what happened here? That means sin theta theta is equal हो. So sin of A plus dm by 2 is equals to, that is A plus dm by 2, and sin A by 2 equals to A by 2. So mu equals to asio tomorrow sin of, so it is sin like that is A plus dm by 2 divided by A by 2. So 2 cancel. So mu equals to A plus dm by A. This implies mu equals to A by A plus dm by A. So A will cancel. So mu equals to 1 plus dm by A. So 1 will come here. So mu minus 1 equals to dm by A. This implies dm equals to A into mu minus 1. ओके अब नोट करो आगे बता न्यूमेरिकल करिए अब नोट करो फटाफट. सो क्वेश्चन लिखो द एंगल ऑफ मिनिमम डेविएशन for a prism of angle 60 degree is 30 degree. Calculate the velocity of light in the material of the prism if speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Solve for question টা देखो पहले सिंपल क्वेश्चन देखो पहले हम उधर क्वेश्चन कौन the angle of minimum deviation for a prism angle तामाने angle of prism हला तामाने angle of prism पहले a हला that is 60 degree deviation हला that is dm हला 30 degree से पचला calculate the velocity of light in material medium the speed of light c दिया हला 3 into 10 power 8 हमो से पहले पचला v पचला तो पहले कहलो mu रो पहले फॉर्मूला हला c by v हमो पहले v बाहर करे हमो दरकार पहले mu दे कर तो फर्स्ट टाइम पहले mu भाग के फर्स्ट बाहर करे तो पहले mu रो पहले फॉर्मूला कोन कहथिलु mu sin a plus dm by 2 divided by sin a by 2 so mu equals to sin a equals to 60 degree plus dm is 30 degree divided by a by 2 means 60 by 2 so that is also a plus dm by 2 that is also a plus dm by 2 so sorry this equals to sin a means how much a means 60 degree plus 30 degree by 2 divided by sin a by 2 a means 60 by 2 so this implies sin of 60 plus 30 by 2 45 degree divided by sin 30 degree sin 45 means 1 by root 2 sin 30 means 1 by 2 so 2 will move numerator by root 2 root 2 will come that is equals to 1.41 root 2 मान लेले 1.41 तबले पहले mu रे वैल्यू प्लस ला हमो से पचला v पचला so mu equals to केता से बोलो c by v this implies mu देई से बोले that is 1.41 c equals to 3 into 10 power 8 divided by v so v equals to केता से 3 into 10 power 8 by 1.41 that is meter per second आपको सॉल्व कर देते हैं ऐसे तो देते हैं आंसर ये आंसर नोट करो फटाफट नोट करो पहला a ray of light passing through passing through an equilateral triangular prism from a undergoes minimum deviation when angle of incidence is 3 by 4th of angle of prism. Calculate speed of light in prism. देखो तुम क्वेश्चन मिला a ray of light passing through an equilateral prism ऐसा बोले equilateral prism बोले in the sense of an angle of prism of 60 degree कितने info भेजो लो so angle of prism है 60 degree अब मुझे प्ले कौन पहला and from A undergoes minimum deviation when angle of incidence I equals to 3 by 4th of angle of prism that is 3 by 4th of A that is how much I equals to 3 by 4th of angle of prism is 60 degree बोले तो कहता है that is 415 जा 45 degree तो मुझे प्ले पहला अब वाला मिनिमम डेविएशन देबला हम कहते हैं मिनिमम डेविएशन पे कंडीशन सला I equals to E R1 equals to R2 equals to R. So तुम कहली A equals to R1 plus R2 by 2 because both are equal. So A is 60 degree. So that is R1 plus R2. 2R by 2. So this implies R is also 60 degree. तो म्यू के लिए फॉर्मूला लगाओ sin A plus dm by 2 divided by sin A by 2. अच्छा प्ले करो आगे काम वाला पे ए तो दिया रहता है ए है तुमको 60 दिया ला ए है 60 डिग्री तो हम काम वाला पे dm ର वैल्यू बाहर करिया dm ର वैल्यू बाहर करिया अच्छा प्ले करो dm ର वैल्यू बाहर करिया तो फार्मूला कोन अप्लाई कराउची to find the value of dm So you can simply, because dm is not available here, so you can use the formula mu equals to sin I by sin r. So sin I equals to how much? 45 degree. By sin r means sin 60 degree. So sin I means 1 by root 2 sin 45 by root 3 by 2. So that equals to 2 by root 6. Because mu equals to c by v, so c by v equals to 2 by root 6. So c equals to 3 into 10 power 8 by v, that is 2 by root 6. So v equals to root 6 into 3 into 10 power 8 by 2, that is meter per second. You solve yourself. This is the answer. Actually solution plate के भूले गए a है और r1 plus r2 by 2 solution. So because both are equal, because a is 60 degree, so here a is 60 degree. So if you take it both are equal, so that is by 2, that is r equals to your 30 degree. So you got it, I equals to 45 degree and r equals to 30 degree. So that is r1 plus r2. So r is 30 degree. So what happened? Mu equals to sin I by sin r. So we find mu because this equals c by v. So sin I means sin 45 degree by sin 30 degree equals to 3 into 10 power 8 by v. So v equals to 3 into 10 power 8 sin 30 by sin 45. आपको सॉल्व कर ले v 80 बोलो 3 into 10 power 8 sin 30 is 1 by 2 sin 45 1 by root 2, that is 1 by root is moving over here, so that is your 1 by root 2. अब तो सॉल्व कर दिया 3 by root 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. You solve yourself.